So hello everyone, welcome to Spentarn learning platform, and today we are going to discuss this Python programming in a quick way. And if you are new to the Python programming, you can have a quick overview of this Python programming concept. And if you are having the experience in the Python, you can have a quick revision of it. So first of all, we have to know, if I just writing a equals to 9, this is a kind of integer type. If I just write b equals to 10, it is 10.8. It is our float type. And if I just write c equals to quotation mark and 10, it is our string type of data. Okay. And if I just going to type print, print is our statement that gives us out. Print is our kind of function that gives us the output. If I just write a plus b, what it will give? It will give me 10 plus 10.8 plus 9. It will give me 19.8. So let's see how it will give us. Right, 19.8. If I just write here, let me give you a brief definition about type conversion too. Type conversion here we are doing. Type conversion is a kind of thing in which the Python or the user converts the kind of data type. Okay, here you can see here. If I just write a plus b, this is the integer type and this is the float type. The type conversion is here the implicit type of conversion, because here I do not have interfere any kind of thing. Implicit kind of conversion. Okay. If I write print and let us suppose b plus c I'm writing, it will throw an error to me. Why? Because here it is an float data type and it is an string data type. So we cannot add these different kind of things. So for that, I need to use the explicit type of data conversion. So for that, what I can do is c equals to integer of c. Okay, if I do this thing and just run this program, I will okay, there is somehow an error here. Okay, if I just run this program, I will get 20.8. Okay, so this is how you can convert it. It is our explicit type of data conversion. So in this, I have an interfere with the program to change the data type. So this is our explicit type of data conversion. So this is all about the kind of data types in a quick way. Now we will be moving ahead to the if-else statement. Okay, then we will be moving further to the for loop, while loop, and then object-oriented programming of Python. Okay, so now for the if-else statement, let us suppose I am giving a value if uh, I equals to 9. I am giving. Okay, and I'm just writing if I is greater than 10, print less, as okay. I'm just running this program, and what it is giving is greater, because here it is checking it line by line. As you all know that Python is an interpreted language in which we are having the program to be checked line by line. So here you can see I equals to 9, then it will go to if I is greater than 10. The syntax is correct, but the thing is I equals to 9, not it is not equals to 9. So this statement is going to false and as is going to be true, so we will get greater. So how it is working? If this one is true, print this. If not, then this. Okay, one more thing we can do here is we are having another kind of thing here, elif. As plus if in the combination gives us elif. If I just write I equals to 9 here and just print equal. Now what it will give me? It will give me equal. Okay, let us see. Here it is giving me equal. Why so? Because I equals to 9 here. So this whole kind of if else statement, elif statement is giving me like if this one is true, print less. Elif, else if this is not true, then it will move to elif. Else if I equals to 9, then print this. Else if these both are not true, then it will move to else and this print this one. Okay, so this is all about the if else statement. Okay, what is the error here? Okay. Now we are just moving ahead to the for loop. As you all know, we have earlier studied in the kind of C programming where we use the for loop and give the conditional statement. So here also we will give the different kind of conditions and we'll use the range function. What the range function will do? Let's see. For I in range, if I just give 1 to 10 and just giving it print I. Okay, what it will do, it will just run from 1 to 9. You can see here, it is running from 1 to 9 only because it runs from 1 to n minus 1 or 0 to n minus 1 or whatever the value will given at the last, it will run from n minus 1. Okay, it will run up to n minus 1. This is all about the for loop here. And one more thing we can do here is if I just want to have the basic knowledge of while loop also. Let's see. I'm having a value I equals to 0 and I'm just giving while I is less than 10, then print I. Okay, and just giving it here a condition, because if I will not give a condition here, then it will run up to infinity. Okay, so what I have to give the condition is I equals to I plus 1, that it will increment by 1, and then again check here I equals to 1, I 10, the 1 is less than 10, then it will again print I. So let's see how it will work. So here you can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it has printed from 0 to 9. Okay, so this condition is very much important in the while loop. So both the loops are having their own significance uh, in their usage in the Python programming. So this is all about the while loop, how we just give the conditions here. In the for loop we have used the range function. In the while loop we have given another conditional statement at the end of the while loop. So this is a brief overview about the while loop. Now we will see how the object oriented programming works. So this is the most important thing that usually confuse so many people. So let's see this. So first of all, we just have to know if we are just discussing about the oops concept in the Python, we will be just having class and object concept. So first of all, we will define a class here. If I just define a class of addition here, and after this, what I will do, I am just writing print of uh, Spentarn learning platform. Okay, one more thing I can do is I can have, let's give it another name here. Sorry, let's give it another name here. It is employee. Okay, uh, the company. I'm giving the company here as Spentarn. Okay, so now this is my class. I have defined a class here. Now what I have to do is I have to just make an object of this class. So let's take an example. I am an employee of this class, so let us write my name. I'm writing my name here and I'm just assigning this name object. I am an object now for this employee class. Okay, this is the class and I am an employee of this class right now, and an object of this class. So now if I just uh, print If I just print here the Puneet.company, what it will give me? First of all, it will check Puneet is an object of employee class, and the class employee is having the company of Spentarn. So it will give me the company is Spentarn. Like it will give me only Spentarn here. So let's run this. Okay, it is giving me Spentarn. Why it is giving me Spentarn learning platform? Because I have printed this one in the employee class. Okay, let's remove this one only and run again this. It will give me Spentarn because the object have called with the help of class, and the class is having the company of Spentarn. Now one more thing I want to tell you. Now we are just discussing about the attributes here. In the attributes, we are having two type of attributes. The first one is class attribute. The second one is instances attribute. Now, if I just do one thing, I just write Puneet dot company equals to Google. If I'm just writing this statement, this means this is the instance attribute. Okay, because I'm just defining it in the instance or object, you can say anything. These all are same. So if I'm just doing this, what it can give me the output? Okay, it will give me Puneet.company. It can give me Spentarn also, it can give me Google also, but the preference will give to the instance attribute. It will give me Google here. Let's see. Okay, the answer is Google. So the kind of thing what I want to tell you is the instance attribute is much greater than the class attribute. Just remember this thing. The class attribute is what? This is my class attribute. Whatever I will define in the class, it will be my class attribute. So just remember this thing. If I just run any kind of class and let us suppose if I am having this class and having this company in the class, I can also define a function in class also. You can see here. If I'm just defining again a function in the class, let us suppose I'm defining define learn, and just this is my function here. Okay, define learn. If I just give print hello sir. Okay, now what I can do here is I'm just again doing one thing, Puneet dot learn. Now this time what it will do, it will let me comment out this one. This time what I have done is I have just okay, I have not to comment this one because I'm just making an object here. Okay, here you can see I have made an object of Puneet using this class. So now this object is using the class of employee, and in employee class we are having a function of learn. So now it will print hello sir. Let's see. So here you can see hello sir is being printed. So this is all about the class and object, and many different things are here which you can learn in the Python. So we will discuss these all are kind of stuff in the detail also. So this is a quick revision of Python, how you can start, how you can learn the Python. How is it? It is very much simpler than C programming, Java, and C++. So this is a quick overview of the Python. So thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you will like this video, subscribe to our channel, and must visit to our website also. Thank you so much.